Hey everyone, it's Jagas Cooking Vlogs with a new healthy, tasty, and rich protein recipe. And guess what? Before I say it, please hit the subscribe button below and make sure to hit the bell icon for more notifications, so you'll be notified anytime we put a new video. So I'll give you a little hint, and that is Laddu. What makes your mouth water? A Laddu. That's why you need to try this type of Laddu, and that is dry fruit Laddu. No sugar, no jaggery, just dates. That's how healthy this recipe is. So you need to try it for sure. That's why let's go into the kitchen. So guys, this is the end of the video. Look at those delicious Laddus. They're just so tasty and healthy, and I can't wait to eat them. So good. So please give a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.